Hey, good morning, Flower, and happy Dollar Dress Down Day. It is Friday, June 3rd, 2022. 1 week from today will be our last week of school, and I know we're all excited for it. Let's go ahead and stand for our morning announcements, beginning first with our pledge. We're standing, and those right hands over our hearts, and we are ready to begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Flower, you may go ahead and be seated. So, Flower, as you're seated in all level zeros, Mr. Walker just mentioned we are now T-minus 1 week away from our last day of school. There's excitement in Mr. Walker's voice because we all need rest. We all need time away from school to rest, rejuvenate, get ourselves ready, set new goals for the next year. We need this time. So let's finish strong. So Mr. Walker said it time and time again. Finishing strong means that your grades are in order. Now remember, Mr. Walker has been saying make sure your grades are in order since pretty close to the first day of school. So as a student body, we need to understand that we cannot wait until the last minute to get things done. This is something that will hopefully be a lesson to those of you who thought this way once before. This might be a lesson for you right now to take not only into account for this year, but in years moving forward, both inside and outside of school, and a lesson of time management and prioritization. You need to make sure that when you are given things to do, that you do them on time and you don't wait until the last minute. Let me give you an example. So let's start recently with the start of our quarter four. Our quarter four began several weeks ago. Each quarter is around 11 or 12 weeks. And Mr. Walker, at the very beginning of each quarter, as well as all your teachers, tell you, please make sure you have all of your assignments turned in. Please make sure you stay on top of your assignments. Please make sure that you do your homework, study for quizzes, prepare for projects and tests. You have a responsibility right then and there to get the planning process going. Now, if you're someone who hears those announcements and then goes, I got time to do this, I've got time to do that, or you know what, I'm not gonna do it right now, and you know, my teacher's gonna hook me up later on. You're wrong. Now, Mr. Walker, your teachers, we're not evil when we tell you that, it's too late for you to turn in this, or it's too late for you to do that, because you've had all semester, all quarter to do it. So we need to make sure that we understand this rule right now. We understand this principle right now, that you must be able to take responsibility and hold yourself accountable when you are given a task to do and a deadline to do it. You must take that seriously. Now, what you may or may not notice is that your teachers also have deadlines, and they are in need of you to meet yours in order for them to meet theirs. Hopefully that makes sense. Also, when you all leave school and get out in the real world, there are going to be things that your job is asking you to do. There's going to be things that maybe your significant other one day is asking you to do. And if you wait until the final few hours to do it, or if you wait until the last minute, both literally and figuratively speaking, it doesn't exactly equate to a recipe for success. So, Flower, long story short, if you were someone that was on top of their grades, if you were on top of all your assignments, you completed any missing work, and you did that in a timely manner, congratulations, kudos to you. Please keep that up. However, if you were someone on the other side of the coin, someone who waited until the last minute, someone who didn't take things seriously when their teacher said this is going to be due on this date, or you need to prepare for this on this date, and you didn't do it, hopefully this serves as a very, very important lesson for you. It means that your teacher loves you, cares for you, but at the same time, there's this thing called accountability where you need to take ownership over your actions. And hey, ownership is a part of power, isn't it? Taking ownership over our actions. Let's go ahead and do that starting today. All right, Flower, let's go ahead and move on. Now, you notice that all of our classrooms, like I said yesterday, they're coming down. Everything's coming down off the walls, everything's coming down in the hallways, and that is because we're preparing for a summer paint job. We are going to have a new look when you all come back this fall, when you all come back this summer to AMS. So, Flower, what does this mean? We need your help to make sure that our classrooms are the cleanest they can be. So as you all are in this last week of school, you're gonna need to take home things. You're gonna need to throw away some things. Let's get some spring cleaning done with these desks. Right now, I'm in Miss Taylor's ASU class, and these desks right now are looking pretty nice. The classroom is very neat and organized, and so let's go ahead and shout out Miss Taylor and ASU, but let's also use this as an example. Right now, our desks need to be bare and empty, or at least have a plan to get there by or before next Friday. So I'm very happy to announce that we had a successful Blue Card celebration yesterday. It was a very sweet time. All the ice cream, hopefully you all enjoyed. I think we had a lot left over, which our staff enjoyed, but we thank you all for doing such a great job with those Blue Cards. Let's keep it up. We can't wait to continue this next year. Let's also not forget about our summer send-off carnival that is going to be on Wednesday, June 8th, 4 to 6:30 p.m. Bring your friends, family, neighborhood. We're going to have a bunch of things here. Again, the rock climbing wall, 20 feet in the air. We're going to have a dunk tank for you to dunk some of your teachers in a pool of water. We're going to have video game trucks. We're going to have cotton candy. We're going to have all sorts of food and fun and prizes. So please make sure that you're there and you bring everybody you know with you. All right, we also don't want to forget about our kinder and our 8th grade promotion ceremonies. Those are taking place next week. Kinder is going to be on Thursday, June 9th, and our 8th grade celebration is going to be on Friday, June 10th. So, ready for a great time? Ready to celebrate? I certainly am. Congratulations to our kinder and 8th grade students. I'm in our front office, and that means one thing. We are ready to announce our scooter winner from our class Dojo Raffle. So let's go ahead and get ready. But first, let's remember what it took to get this far. We have given away all sorts of cars this week. If you still haven't gotten your prize, Mr. Walker is in his office right now, so please go ahead and ask your teacher if it's now the right time. We've given away cars. We've given away Legos. We've given away, the camera. We've given away so many great things this week, but I know the prize that everyone has had their eye on has been that electric scooter. So let's go ahead and take a look at the electric scooter.
Step up to the award-winning Razor E100, reaching speeds up to 10 mph. Charge them up for a seriously cool ride. The Razor E90 and E100 electric.
One winner. So drum roll, please. Our winner of our electric scooter goes to 4th grader Sophia Leon. Congratulations, Sophia Leon. You are the recipient of the electric scooter. All right, let's go ahead and make it a great day, a great weekend ahead. The choice is always yours. We'll see you around. Be safe. Bye-bye.